Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to Supersize Secret Saturday. Today, we're going to talk about replacing limiting beliefs to supersize and grow your business. It is one of those ways to leverage ourselves and leverage the way we do things, the way we think about things to grow and build and supersize our business that actually the vast majority of people don't even think of or consider. But it will give us huge advantage in the marketplace, huge advantage when working with people and customers and the folks that we're here to serve, because we're going to think about their limiting beliefs. What beliefs do they have that our products and services can help them to get rid of, to get what they want in their life? Because the truth is, the more we help other people get what they want, the more we can have everything that we want in our life. So how do we go about doing this? I have a lot of different strategies and ways that I've done this in the past for myself, for my businesses, for my personal life, for other people's businesses, etc. But one of my favorite things to do is, and I say replace on purpose, because remember, our beliefs are just our beliefs. We don't realize that they're limiting us or holding us back or preventing us from getting what we want fast until we actually self-reflect and look at them and say, oh my God, we believe that competition is so fierce in our industry that we just can't possibly get ahead. Well, if you believe that, you're going to take actions that limit your ability to be competitive. So we want to challenge those beliefs first and foremost. We have a belief, somebody says something in a meeting and we're like, okay, well, is that true? Well, it might be true, but it might also be just our perception of a version of the truth. Or it might have been true in the past, but we've made changes in our organization that it's absolutely positively not true for us anymore. Or it might be true sometimes, but not other times. So I like to ask myself, first, I like to challenge the belief and say, well, is it even true at all? Is it true for me now today? Because a lot of our beliefs we just carry with us throughout the majority of our lifetime, and we never even question them, but they're impacting our decisions and our choices every single day. But once we realize them and we shine a light on them by asking, well, is that true? Is it true for me now? Is it always true? Is there another way to look at it that would make it not true? And if it's not true, then what else is possible for us? So today I challenge you to think about one belief you have about your business and growing and building and supersizing your business in particular that might possibly could be holding you back, and challenge that belief and see if you don't have some kind of a breakthrough or aha moment saying, oh, wow, it is actually me holding me back from supersizing and growing my business. Has that ever happened to you? I guarantee it's happened to me hundreds of times and will probably continue to happen to me for the rest of my life. That's our secret supersizing tip for today. Love to know your take on this. Share in the comments below so we can learn from one another. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.